In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link outside of your Obsidian vault, whether you want to point a note to a website, a cloud document, or a file stored elsewhere on your computer. This is quick to set up and relies on simple markdown you can reuse anytime. Start by opening Obsidian and the vault where you want the link to live. To keep things organized, create a new folder dedicated to references or resources. Give it a clear name so you'll remember what belongs there later. With that folder selected, create a new note. A fresh note makes it easy to test and refine your link without clutter. Inside the note, use standard markdown link syntax. Type an opening square bracket, write the human-friendly title you want to see, then close the bracket. Immediately after, open a parenthesis, paste or type the full URL, and close the parenthesis. It looks like this: your title, example.com. The text in brackets is the clickable label. The text in parentheses is the actual destination. A few tips will make this flawless. Always include the full protocol, HTTP or HTTP key, so Obsidian recognizes it as an external link. Avoid spaces between the closing bracket and the opening parenthesis. That gap will break the link. If you pasted a long URL first, feel free to swap in a cleaner title between the brackets afterward. Descriptive titles like project brief or design guidelines make your notes easier to scan. If you've already typed some text, you can highlight it and wrap it with brackets, then add the URL in parentheses after it. Also, remember that double square brackets are for internal notes within your vault. For anything outside, the bracket then parenthesis format is the way to go. To test the link, switch to reading or preview mode, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac OS and click it in edit mode. Obsidian will open your default browser for web links or the relevant app for other link types. If the link doesn't open, double check that the URL includes HTTPS or that there are no missing brackets or parentheses. Linking to local files outside the vault works too. Just use the full file path. Keep in mind that moving or renaming those files later can break the link, so store important resources in predictable locations. And that's all you need. Open Obsidian, make a spot for your note, create the note, then add an external link using brackets for the title and parentheses for the destination. With this simple pattern, you can confidently connect your notes to anything beyond your vault.